Hello, guys. I just wanted to go over your warm up for today. So, understanding that our warm up today is a great practice for your quiz that you will have later on this week. If you are in the green group, your quiz is on Friday. And if you are in the blue or the gold group, your quiz is going to be on Monday. Sorry, I was just checking that. So, green group Friday's quiz on EdSite, and then gold group, your quiz will be on Monday. So, warm up question number one. It says if a subtotal is $23.85, determine the price after a 9.5% sales tax has been added. Round to the nearest cent. So, this question is asking me to determine the final sales price of something given a subtotal. So, we are going to be working with this question, and I know that that's hard to see. So, we are going to be working with this question as one of those questions that we have the original number plus the percent of the original number. So we are going to be finding the original plus the percent of original. And again, this was when we talked about our two different methods here. You can either set it up as a proportion or you can set it up just using the equation. So I'm going to just do the equation for this. My original number is what is given right here. So I know right off the bat that my original is $23.85. $23.85. That is the original. Now I need to find the percent of the original, So if I use method 2, the first thing I need to do is I need to convert this 9.5% into a decimal. When I convert to a decimal from a percent, I am moving my decimal places 2 spots over. So this becomes 0.095. That is my 9.5% as a decimal is 0.095. So when I'm working to find the percent of the original, of tells me to multiply. So I'm going to take my original amount, which is $23.85, times 0.095. And when I use my calculator to do this, and I'm sorry, I don't, 2385 times 0.095, I get, rounded, I'm going to get 2.26575, but this is money, so I know that I'm only going to round to the nearest tenth. This tells me to round to the nearest cent, so we will do that at the end. 2.27, so 2.27. So this 2.27 represents my percent of original, my percent of the original price here. So now I'm going to take this $23.85, which was my original amount, and I'm going to add 2.27 to that. Get a final answer equals, that's hard to see. Sorry about that. Let's go. Okay, equals plus 23.85. You should get $26.12. $26.12 if we round. So the final price after my tax has been added is $26.12. This $2.27, understand that that represents my percent of the original, so my 9.5% of the original price, and which is my tax. So let's just go ahead and write that underneath here. Ooh, I like that as blue. Another one. This is my tax. Original price plus my tax price gives me $26.12. Using the new price, determine the bill after an 18% tip has been added, round to the nearest cent. So now we're going to be doing the same exact thing. So we have our original amount plus the percent of original here. So my new original amount is my new amount of $26.12 plus the percent of the original is 18% of $26.12. So again, I'm going to be doing 18%, which is changing that to a decimal, which is going to give me 0.18. 0.18 times 0.18 times 26.12